Now, student, as we are discussing website components, the web server, different type of web server. What are the feature? It is very secure. It is a fast in speed means of a bandwidth. Depend on the bandwidth. You all know it now. Able to magnitude the bandwidth compression. Maximum uptime means of the responsibility, support most of the server side scripting, easy user interface, and virtual hosting. Okay, functions of the web server, it store and secure in the website data, it provides the data access, it gives the server to end the user request. That means what the request you are doing, based on that you are getting the information. Like you go to the CBSE site, you want your result, you will get the result. You want the new syllabus, you will get your new syllabus. You want what are the changes there, that also you will get. So these are the things, as per the request the thing will be supplied to you. Bandwidth obviously controlled and regulated in the network traffic, how the network is. Visual hosting, virtual, it is hosting suppose virtual class as we all are doing at this moment. And server side it is scripting. Now web server example, like Apache web server 1996, this has came into a launch. Remember all these things, this can come and short note as well as one mark question, as well as fill in the blanks also. IIS full form is Internet Information Service. Internet Information Service developed by Microsoft. AWS means Apache Web Server. Okay. NGINX 2002. Ignore CVS is user the largest version. So this is what Apache Tomic Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat Instant. It is a Microsoft system. 1999. It has been used, and Light HTTPD. This is 2002. It is used for the lower memory CPU, where the lower memory is there. Web hosting. Now, host. Who is the host? Suppose you are organizing any party, you are the host there. So similarly, here is the web who is making all the arrangement. That is a web host. So hosting is a place. That is a place. You write the answer very nicely. Hosting is the place where all the files of your website lives. That means all the website page will live there. So it is the home of the website. We can say it is an home of the website. So good way to think about this is a domain name of our house, then web house hosting the actual house, that address in a point. Suppose in your area you have lot of houses. So suppose in Deshbandhupada or Subhashpalli, we have lot of houses. So from those houses, what we find that they has a different address. So that is an address point. That is the address of this particular thing. So all web address of an internet hosting, domain name is the web address. We can find domain name and web hosting of the two different service. However, what we can get is an DNS, domain name server. So there are the four types of web hosting. What? Sharing hosting. That means sharing by the multiple domains of the web hosting. VPS, virtual private server. That means if any private server is there, that server is taking the different type of other web and hosting it. Then dedicated host means web host is being hosted to the dedicated server only for that particular purpose. Okay, suppose it is working for the government, so that will only you will go only going to get all the government sites and information, configuration, software, everything there. Cloud hosting, you all know very nicely. We do have a cloud hosting where we are hosting that different other things, different other work, our problem, our server, our component are tracking that. And reselling hosting. Reselling means those who are selling the host. Suppose hosting is being sold out. Okay, reselling the host. So this is what, and this is how we can find it that our work is being done. So how many type of web hosting we do find? One is sharing hosting, one is VPS hosting, one is dedicated hosting, one is cloud hosting, one is reseller hosting and word processing. So sharing hosting means which will share to you. VPS means virtual private server. Dedicated hosting, which is dedicated for only one work, one particular pattern of work. Okay, so that is the dedicated hosting. Cloud hosting means which plan to come to the multiple remote, different remote place. It is taking the information and taking the responsibility to hold those datas and working with the datas. And reselling hosting and what place means hosting all those specification type of hosting. Some specific type of hostings are there. Those the specific type of hosting, what we find it that each of these particular specific type of hosting are being hosted here, and those specific type of hosting are being kept and work with it. So this is